Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Rahul here. So today we are going to learn how to use round command with a different way in this video. So let's go started. So take this new sheet and first of all we have to create new sketch. Click on the sketch, select the plane and sketch it. Next click on sketch view. First of all make the center line vertically like this, and the purpose of the center line is because I am going to draw a rectangle symmetric about this center line. So go to here and take the corner rectangle and draw it from here like this. Here you can see, take again rectangle and draw it from here to here. Okay, click on this OK. But this we have to again go to this sketch and click this edit definition, and here is one option delete segment. So click on this and trim distance position and distance position. Okay, and click on OK. Extrude it. Here our object is ready with extruded, and make it to extrude on both the sides. And next increase this extrusion depth. Next click on this green mark. Our object is ready now for performing the round operations. So let's get started. Click on this round, and here you can see one edge is highlighting. Click on this edge. Round is created by the system for me. If you want to change manually, you can change like this. Okay, this is for one edge. Now next click on this green mark. Next you take this round command, click on the first edge and press the control key on your keyboard, and next select this one edge. So purpose of this is to make the changes in the edges simultaneously. So click on this here. If you change this radius, so it will change the radius for the pole. Here you can see, click on this green mark. Okay, go here, click on this round 2 and by pressing Ctrl select the both of the round, right click it and delete this. Okay, now next go to round. If you wanted to make a variable cross section round, so for doing this, click on sketch, take this surface, click on sketch, make it a sketch view, and take these reference lines like this and close this. Next take this line and draw it near to this edge. Here you can see, here you can start to draw this line and draw like this, and end it over here. Next click the cursor aside. Here spline is generated. Click on this OK. You can see here spline is generated. Next create on this round. Select this edge. This will create round for me by system. Here you can see. Next go to set. Here you have to select this option through the curve, and next select this curve. So here you can see the round is generated in the form of spline or different variable sections. Okay, so click on this green mark if you wanted to make the changes in that sketch. So go to this sketch over here and edit this, and click on this sketch view. Here you can edit this. Just click on this, and here you can get, if you right click on this, you can get this modify tool. Click on this modify, and from here you can change this spline like this. Just click on this and drag it over here like this and like this. If I wanted to insert the dots or points like here, so right click here and add points. Here point is added and you can drag below side like this. Click on this green mark, click on this OK, and it will system will generate the round like this through this curve. Okay, now next, so I will click this edge, right click and delete this. Okay, click on the round, select this edge. Okay, and simultaneously click on this edge also. Here you can see. Now here is one option, you can see here, switch to transition mode. So for doing this, it will be easily understand by using the 3 edges. So click on this edge also. Okay, so here are the 3 edges, 1 2 3, you can see here, and this is the intersection of this all the edges. So click on this, switch to transition mode. Okay, and next here, this is the intersection of this point. If you select this intersection point, this is highlighted over here, you can see. So here some options will be visible or created like this. Intersect, so this will change, it will convert into intersects like this. Here you can observe. So go here and click on this corner sphere, so it will convert into corner sphere. Intersection of these edges, round only, so you can make it round only. Patch. Next, if I wanted to make it intersect like this, so we can set it. Okay, now click on this green mark, it is generated. So this is one of the form, or this is the way. And now click on this round, right click, delete this. Okay, go to round, and next, here you can see, if you wanted multiple round on multiple edges, so choose any one edge. Next, click the control key on your keyboard. Next, select this one edge. Next, select this one edge, and next select this one edge. So it will be created like this, and you can change like this over here. If you wanted to change this radius, you can put over here also. If I wanted to make it 20, so enter it 20. Okay, next, click on this green mark and it will be generated. Now right click on this and delete this. Okay, now take this round again and make over here. Okay, and press the control key, make this edge also. And by pressing Ctrl and Shift, you can make the round on overall the surface like this. I will again show you. Press Ctrl Z, again press Ctrl Z, again press Ctrl Z. Make this line round. Next, press the Ctrl and Shift and take your cursor over here. So some portion will be highlighted, and click on this. So it will create a round on this whole surface like this, and click on the remark. Here you can see it is generated. Right click on this and delete this. Okay, next, click on this round. Make this edge round, a little bit increase it, and here you can see, if you wanted to make a different or variable cross section and the both ends, so here, go here and click on right click on this and add radius. So it will create the radius and the both ends, so you can change it like this. And like this also. Okay, and again you can click on this dot, right click, add radius, so it will be credit, or sorry, it will be create one more. If you wanted to drag it over here, so you can drag it or move here like this, and you can change the radius of this also like this. You can add, if you right click on this, you can add one more radius over here like this. Okay, click on this green mark, here you can see, right click here and delete this, and next click on the round and click on this edge. Now this edge is rounded, but I wanted only up to half portion, or at specified portion it should be rounded. So for doing this, close this, and from here take this point, as you wanted to make the point, I wanted to make here. So okay, and next create on this round, click, next make this edge as a round, and next go to this transition, and again there is option here, you can see switch to transition mode. So here you can see some at the end of this edge, so transitions are created. So click on this any one transition and right click over here, and you have to select stop, add reference. So I have created this reference point, so click this, so it will be created around only up to the point which has been drawn by us. Okay, now this is the purpose of transition command. We have seen this transition set also. Click on this green tick mark, next click on this round and delete this. Now what is remaining, click on this round, here pieces is remaining. Okay, so close this. For using this command, first of all click on this round. If I made this round, click on green mark, again click on round. If I click on this edge, so it will automatically create round on this edge also, but I don't want it to make this, I just wanted only this edge as a round. So click on this pieces, okay, and click on this piece one. Next you can see here two dots are created at the first end and at the last end, so you have to click and drag it up to this, so it is taking only one piece as a round. From here you can see preview, here it is the round is generated only on this edge and not on this edge. So click on this grid mark, here you can see the uses of the piece command in this. Okay, so right click on this round 2 and delete it. Okay, next click on this round. We have seen the uses of this piece and uses of this transition also, and next we have to, and what is the purpose of these sets, this circular and this d1 d2. Okay, so understanding this, first of all click on this edge, and next here you can see, if you click on this d1 d2, so here some options are added by dragging this. You can adjust the round of the edges, like most of the times our round generation will be failed, so just delete it. Click again on round, make this edge as a round, and click on the sets. Here you can see, and click on this D1 and D2. So from here you can see you can increase only from one side. Just enter your dimension in millimeter, whatever you want. And if you wanted only this side, not this side, so you can increase it up to this, and this is this value should be only from 0.05 to 0.95. Here you can see this is now 0.05. I wanna make it 0.05, so it will look like this. Just go here and here you can see, if you make it 0.95, we have entered a value that contains italic character. Click OK to correct. Okay. Here you can see it can only take 0.05 and 0.5. Okay, click on this green mark. Now this is all about the round commands. How to make the rounds through the curves, and by using edges, or by control shift also, and by using surfaces also. Click on this round button and click on this surface, and press Ctrl key and click on the surface. The round is automatically generated. This is by surface also, means you can generate the round feature by surface also, and the edges also, and through the curve also, means there are different ways. And we will learn in this video tutorial how to make rounds by edge, by surface, or through the curves, and what is the purpose of this transition and pieces. We also learn in this session. Okay, and what is the sets. So click on this green mark, and thank you very much friends for watching this video. I hope you have understand the most of the commands in these my tutorials, and if you have any doubts about my videos or any suggestions, so please do comment in the comment section, and do subscribe and like, and thank you very much friends.